All right, for example 3 in our pretest, we have some parentheses this time, so that means we could take care of those with the distributive property. I think most of you would start with that, so that's what I'll do here. So if I do that, I have 4 equals, I'm going to go ahead and put this 2 over 1, so you can think about numerators and then denominators. So in my numerator, I would have 2 times 2, which is 4. In my denominator, I would have 3 times 1, which is 3, and there's an x attached to that. I'll do the same idea with my 9. I'll put it over 1. So I would have 18 in my numerator and 3 in my denominator, and that reduces to 6. It's okay with me if you use a calculator. It's fine. So now I have a two-step equation. Let's get rid of the minus 6. How can you get rid of a minus 6? Yeah, we would add 6. So I'm going to add 6 on both sides of my equation. There's my fairness happening. You can see it in purple on both sides of that equals. So on the left side I have 10. On the right side I have 4/3 x. Oops, I'm making myself space this time. So there's what I have right now. My x is being multiplied by the 4/3 when you have a coefficient in front of a variable. That's what they're connected with, is multiplication. So to undo that, we would want to divide. Since fractions are involved, we will divide the fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to do that in green on both sides. So the reciprocal means flip it upside down. So that would be 3/4. You can see the fairness in green on both sides. And over on the right side, the 4's will cancel and the 3's will cancel. That gets your x by itself, which is good. On the left side, I'm going to go ahead and put this 10 over 1 so that you can see them multiplying a little bit better. So my numerator would be 30 and my denominator would be 4. And that does reduce by 2's. I can divide top and bottom both by 2. So I could call that 15/2. If you wanted to make it improper, it is improper. If you want to make it a mixed number, a 7.5, that's fine. If you want to make it a decimal, that'd be 7.5, that's fine too.